What's going on YouTube? Modeling Nut back at you with another decal review. This one again is from Two Bobs and is the 48-275 or the Heritage Hawgs. If you want to check out my review of the Hoosier Hawgs, I'll post a link below. So, cool thing about this is it is the decal sheet for 48 scale A-10Cs. I know basically there's three of, or I should say, there's really only one right now that's available, and that's through Italeri. But I have seen where Hobby Boss is going to be releasing one that is an actual true C here soon. So definitely, if you're a fan of the old Heritage Hogs, definitely pick up the sheet while you can. So first one is from May of 2021, and it's the Idaho Air National Guard doing the anniversary P-47 scheme, which is an absolutely just beautiful scheme. Love the fact that they again brought back the original 1943 era, 1944 era insignias here with the D-Day markings, nice Viz stripes on the side. You also have the A-10C from the A-10 demonstration team from David Mothen Air Force Base in April of 2021, and then the 75th anniversary of D-Day anniversary scheme that they had at Whiteman Air Force Base back in 2019. So, a couple of options. And then one thing I absolutely love about this is they have a really nice layout. Again, that overall olive drab and dark gold gray. They even have a shot of the original P-47 that this aircraft was based off of, which is something I'm actually going to look to see if I either have or if I can get a hold of one from that squadron just to kind of pair up with this one. And again, second sheet's going to be just a little bit more of the same. You have a nice fold out that has really clear markings for the top and bottoms, exactly how the scheme is supposed to go. They do have some additional callouts for some additional details that should be looked at. Again, the one thing I love about it is they do have the FOD cover decals, so if you want to run those, you can. And then the 2019 D-Day scheme with an actual nice reference photo there in the corner. So, alright, let's get down to brass tacks here with the actual decal sheet. So these are printed by Cartograph, so I'm sure they are going to go down lovely. The artwork themselves is absolutely stunning. Crystal clear when it comes to the images, like with the writing and stuff like that. I'm sure under heavy magnification you could actually read all of the names on this, which is absolutely amazing. So again, for the low price of $15, I really don't think you could get a better buy than this. These decals are absolutely beautiful. Was so ecstatic when I seen that they released this for the A-10C, the P-47 scheme. That's the whole reason I actually bought this set, was for that aircraft specifically. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the review, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.